Use a spoon. Kevin, Mevin, use a spoon. Spoon. Mmm. Do like this. No, no, no. Eat. Put in your mouth. Like that. Good. Use this hand. Hold a spoon in this hand. Yes. Hold a spoon in this hand. Yes. And do. Don't throw outside. Eat. You don't use hand. No, 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 no. Don't use hand. Use spoon. Toot. Oh, Kevin is throwing down. Kevin, don't use hand. Use spoon. 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 Use spoon. Okay. Learning, huh? Do you love eating with a spoon? Do you love? Kevin, use spoon like this. Use spoon. Iti bata cha. Mevin. Iti bata cha. Mevin, iti bata cha. Mevin? Yes, very good. Very good. Kevin? Don't use hand. Use spoon. Use spoon like this. Lip. Take your hand out. Yes. Good. And then? Like this. Do like this. Good boy. This is the way of taking food. Good boy. Good. Give high five. High five. This with that hand. High five. Mevin, don't use hand. High five. Good boy. Be careful. Be careful. Again using hand. Again. Use spoon. You have a spoon. Look. Why did I give a spoon to you? Use spoon. Playing with food now. Oh, Mevin is playing with his food. Mevin, use spoon. Guys, why did I give spoon to you, huh? Why are you using hand? You use spoon for just few seconds and then now nothing. Throwing. Look, my God, Mevin is throwing food out of his mouth. Why are you throwing? That's egg, vegetables. Very tasty food and you are throwing all of it out. Kevin, Kitty. Where is your friend Kitty? Kitty. Where is Moon? Where is aircon? Where is light? Where is TV? TV. Where is chair? Where is dog? Where is cat? Where is pig? Where is duck? Where is frog? Where is fox? Ooh, look. What's on your chin? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Good boys. Say namaste. Namaste. Kevin, namaste. Kevin, namaste. Swadikap. Kevin, swadikap. Namaste. Please do namaste. No? Okay, you're enjoying food. Okay, bye. Bye. Kevin, bye. Okay, I'm turning off the camera, okay?